Hello children, how are you? This is our e-classroom and today we'll start learning about Easter. Danas ke započneme z izučuvanjem zaveljne. Are you ready? Now, listen and repeat. Easter eggs. Let's do it one more time. Easter eggs. Very good. Easter basket. Let's repeat that. Ajde da ga povtorime to. Easter basket. One more time. Easter basket. Easter egg hunt. Easter egg hunt. Again. Easter egg hunt. Let's see this one. Easter bunny. Repeat that. Повторете го това. Easter bunny. Again. Повторно. Easter bunny. Chick. Let's repeat that. Хайде да го повториме това. Chick. One more time. Хайде още веднъж. Chick. Good job. How about this one? Lamb. Can you repeat that? Можете ли да го повторите това? Lamb. Very good. Happy Easter, my dear ones. Stay home and stay safe. See you soon. Srečen